What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best light box for photography. The charm behind all those exquisite looking products online is a perfect photo box. You keep your products on the box, you take photos and voila! They'll look stunningly premium. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 light box for photography. Number 1. Amazon Basics Light Box for Photography. The portable studio from Amazon Basics just makes easy more comfortable for you. Daylight balance worth 5600K. First off, with the whole set, you're getting a built-in LED light. Camera and smartphone compatible. The 3-door system at the front, on the other hand, makes sure you get maximum image angles. When you're ready to do some photography work, you can simply set it up within less than a minute. Number 2. Havocs HPB80XD Light Box for Photography. The best photo box reviews wouldn't be complete if we didn't include the HPB80XD from Havocs. The brand has been making amazing boxes for photography. 336 dimmable SMD LED lights. Take your camera and go for the shot. You'll love the multiple openings the Havocs HPB80XD comes with. You're getting not just one but 3 versatile background shades. It's so lightweight, you can lift it up easily with your bare hands. Number 3. A Mart Tabletop Light Box for Photography. Let it be for experts or beginners, the tabletop photo light box from a Mart can blend in with your taste for obvious reasons. Comes with a waterproof attribute. Hard polypropylene construction. Compatible to both DSLR and smartphone. Place any object in the studio box, grab your camera and take the shot from the opening on the front. Yep, you're getting a tripod as well along with power bank. This one may not be the best light box for product photography. Number 4. ESDI Light Box for Photography. The light box from ESDI has got everything to fill your cup when it's all about taking your photography to its pinnacle. As soon as you'll see the 120 adjustable LED lamps. The lamps come with 261,000 lumens. With all these features in the arsenal, whenever you take the shot, what you're getting is mind-boggling picture quality with crystal clear clarity. As for extras, the set offers you 4 PVC backgrounds. The ESDI Lightbox photography kit is pretty easy to set up. Number 5. Limo Studio Lightbox for photography. Unlike the typical white photography boxes in the market, it comes with a 100% polyester construction. Let it be indoor photography or the outdoor one. 100% polyester construction. Let it be your camera or your smartphone. As you take the shot, the lighting system will keep the picture quality completely natural. You can adjust the height up to 8 inches. For backdrops to choose from,